Finally, been waiting for it so long. The PCBA finally arrived. Let's connect it and see how it works. No LED. Let's see. Can't connect. It's broken. What do we do?
Ronnie, we have only 3 days for the new product launch. Is the PCBA done?
Boss, I tried my best. The PCB arrived today, but it doesn't work.
You have to get it done within 48 hours.
I know, boss. I'm very sorry. I will try my best. I will look for another service to solve this issue. PCBA in 24 hours or 48 hours. Hello?
Hello, Ronnie. This is Betty from Pcbasic.
Hey, how are you?
How are you? Your order has been arranged for materials preparations.
Wow, so quickly.
Yeah, and the production will start tomorrow at 9 in the morning.
Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, see you tomorrow. Hello, Ronnie.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming.
Sure, thank you for having me.
Let me show you around.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is our office.
Looks great.
There is our IT team. Here is our engineering department. This is our data center.
What does it show?
From this, you can see all the production status.
Oh, it's pretty smart.
Very smart. This is our certification and the patents we have gained. There is our products which applied in different fields, mainly focused on automotive and medical. Here is some finished products. We also provide one-stop service.
That's really impressive.
This is our patented mass system. From this, you can see immediately and clearly which process your order is going to.
So you can also see my order on the system.
Yes, you can.
Could you tell me where are we now?
Here you can see how our workers are working.
What are they doing?
Here is checking the material.
And what is this dashboard over there?
This shows our daily, weekly, monthly received component status.
That's amazing.
This is our smart shelf.
Wow.
You can see from this display our workers received all the orders from our system.
So this is in real time.
Here you can see how the workers are working.
What are they doing?
They are checking the materials. When orders come here, our shelf lighting up.
So they could find the right component for the right project.
We could fast find the component from the shelf. This is our DFM engineering. Here is checking the original Gerber and the BOM list from the customer.
I'm curious, what happens if the DFM test will fail?
We will check the design if we have any problems for manufacturability. This is our incoming components checking. All components will come here for inspection. This is IC.
And how she inspected?
You can see this. This is a microscope. We will check. Details distinguish if it's fake or not.
So it can really ensure high quality every time.
Yes, we can ensure that our components are from the original brand.
What is this?
Smart counting machine. They can fast check the quantity.
Wow, that's pretty fast. 4 rolls at a time.
This is our stencil working shop. Our engineering are working on the drawing for stencils. It will only take 1 hour to the machine to finish the production. This is our laser cutting machine. From the drawing to these parts, it will only take 1 hour.
1 hour! Wow, that's amazing. Now I know why the process is so fast.
Yes, it's our efficiency.
Incredible.
We have a CNC machine to build this fixture. It will hold it tightly.
So it cannot fall down.
Yes, so we can assemble precisely. This is our SMT working shop. Totally, we have 7 SMT lines from 1 to 4 for batch orders. 4 to 7, we have special lines.
What are they doing?
They are teaching our workers.
So you mean they're training them?
Yes. This is our material preparation area. From this display, you can see all the materials needed for production.
That's really impressive.
Normally, for small components, we need to buy more than the normal quantity, because when we store these components to the feeder, it will harm some straps.
Wow, so this can solve this problem.
Yes, I'm so excited to introduce you our smart shelf for Stenshaw.
What's the function of the smart shelf?
When we receive orders from MES, our workers will scan this QR code, then the light will go off. We use this smart display. You can see all the details from this screen.
I can even see the workers that are currently working on the manufacturing line.
Yes, it shows the responsible person for these lines.
Also, I can see some other data. What does the graph mean?
It shows all the numbers, quantity, size, part number, process.
That's really efficient.
This is oven machine. For some sensitive components, we need to bake them before production. This is automatic operating machine.
What kind of solder paste do you use?
Here,
Wow, it's really expensive one.
yes, it's famous brand. This is the process for PCB assembly. Using this machine, we can detect the solder signals.
So it can detect if the signal is good or bad during the pasting machine, right?
Yes, this is a high-speed pick and place machine.
So they are currently taking the components from here, setting them up on the PCB inside.
Yes, its components will be mounted on the board. It's a famous brand machine from Japan. This machine is very high precision. Look at this. The robot is working. It's delivering components to the feeder.
All the reflow ovens are ROS and CE certified. So this reflow oven is the last stage of the PCB assembly stage.
Yes, you can see our FOP. We have a professional PIC test to check the temperature records after the boards came out reflow oven. Here we will have AOI check for all the boards. AOI will automatically check all the assembled quality. If there are some missing components or some problems, it will be detected. This machine will check all the components if assembled in a good position.
So you're saying this machine was developed by your own company?
Yes, we have registered patent. This is a patent we gained with the machine.
And what is this machine doing?
It will test the quality for the first piece. This is our DFC system. When some workers don't wear it, the alert will go off and the display will show some warning. After AOI inspection, it will go to visual inspection by our QA workers.
So here they inspect manually by using their eyes.
Yes, by eyes. The appearance looking so good.
Yeah, no mistakes.
If the board has BGA components, it will go to this machine for checking.
How does this machine check?
Check the IC soldering quality. This is with soldering line.
So here they will solder by hand.
For patch quantity, we will use this line. For wave soldering to ensure the soldering quantity. So here we can have a look. Let our workers show to you how do they work. You can have a real feeling how to import.
Oh, I see. So they put it manually into the board.
Yes. After import components, we will put the boards into the fixture and deliver to the oven. The two-wave soldering will ensure the quality is even. After assembly is finished, it will head to complete cleaning. It will be delivered to this machine for clean. This is components coating.
What is it used for?
For waterproof, humidity proof, protects the board in order to enhance production efficiency. We need a PCB in panel arrays. This board is so small with small holes, so we need this machine to remove the prints. This screen shows all the boards in packaging. If your board is here, you can see the orders.
Yes, I can see it. It's over there.
The same system.
How about this one?
This is for DIP real time. It's for final inspection. Our QC will check according to IPC standards. So beautiful and great.
Wow, you even have an assembly service over here.
Yes, we can. One-stop service. This area is for functional testing. If customer have special requirements, then we will do this. How do you feel about us after your visit?
I think it's incredible. Very efficient and at high speed. Once we finish, the board will be here and ready to reach the customer.
Yes, with solid package, it will be delivered.
Amazing.
We had a nice visit with you today. Welcome you next time for a visit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
After visiting PCBasic, I was seriously impressed by the differences of PCBasic and traditional factories. PCBasic incorporated an EMS system they developed all by themselves, including IoT and AI machinery and robots that run around the factory and help you produce at mass capacity and max speed. I highly recommend PCBasic to anyone to create their own product like I've created my own. Hey boss. Yes, the project is perfectly fine. PCBasic did an amazing job.